A candle melts itself but enlightens entire world. Absolutely right. Today we are going to discuss about importance of oxygen during burning or combustion reaction. So, Naveen Raj Essential Channel welcomes you all. To carry out this experiment, I need candle. You can take mastic or lighter. Third one, transparent glass. All these are the materials needed to carry out this experiment. So let me put on the candle to continue this experiment. Right now, you are observing candle is burning systematically. There is no interruption. Candle is burning. And even it is proving combustion reaction. We all are aware of chemical reaction, combustion. Combustion is a kind of chemical reaction where substances burns with the help of atmospheric oxygen. When candle starts burning continuously, if I cover this candle with the help of glass, let's see what happens. You all are observing candle is burning continuously. Just I am going to bring glass. You can check it. Slowly I am going to put over this candle. So right now still candle is burning. Still candle is burning. And slowly it starts flickering and it is going to put off. Yes. Right now you can check it. Candle is inside the glass but it's not burning. It proves that oxygen is very essential during burning. Such a kind of chemical reaction is known as combustion. Hence, whenever substances burns in our surrounding area, it happens, it burns with the help of oxygen. Hence, oxygen is very essential during burning also. Same oxygen is essential for human beings as a omnipotent gas or else life existing gas. Thank you very much.